Okay, these are all of the MOPAR engines. So this is the 2.4 liter dual VVT. This can be found in the Dodge Journey or a Avenger or a Dart or a Wrangler or a Cherokee or Grand Cherokee. Now, this is the 3.6 liter VVT. It's a V6. This one was a 4-cylinder. This is a V6. And this could be found in a Chrysler 300 Sport, a Chrysler 300, a Chrysler 300C, a Dodge Charger SXT, a Dodge Charger GT, a Dodge Challenger SXT, a Dodge Charger SXT, or a Grand Cherokee or a Cherokee. Now we got the 5.7 liter Hemi V8. This can be found in a Dodge Charger RT or a Dodge Challenger RT or Chrysler 300C. Now we got the 6.1 liter Hemi V8. This could be found in a Dodge Charger SRT8 or a Dodge Challenger SRT8. Now this is a 6.2 liter Hemi V8. This can be found in a Dodge Charger and a Dodge Challenger and a Dodge Durango and a Jeep Grand Cherokee. And now this is the 6.4 liter Hemi. This can be found in a Chrysler 300 SRT8, a Dodge Charger SRT8, or a Dodge Challenger SRT8, and a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Now this is the 7.7 liter V8 Hemi. This can be found in a swapped Dodge Charger, swapped Dodge Challenger, a swapped Chrysler 300, a swapped Jeep, a swapped Ram. This can be found in anything. Peace out.